Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge class. Today our topic is Olympics. Very important chapter in games and sports. Okay, that is Olympics. Oldest and greatest games are Olympics. These games are divided into two categories: ancient Olympics and modern Olympics. Ancient Olympics were started in 776 BC in Olympia city and ended also in Olympia city. It means ancient games were ended in 394 AD. All games were conducted in Olympus Stadium, Olympia city, Greece. That's why Greece is the founder of Olympics. All ancient Olympics were conducted in Greece country. After that, in 1875, that period, one famous archaeologist excavated some evidences of these ancient Olympics. That person is Pierre Baron de Coubertin. On the work of Pierre Baron de Coubertin, again modern Olympics were started in 1896 AD at Athens, Greece, because Greece is the founder of ancient games. That's why first modern Olympics were conducted in Athens. Athens is the capital of Greece. It is also called the Eye of Greece. From 1896 onwards, we have been conducting in the world these Olympics. Again, modern divide into three categories: Summer Olympics, Winter Olympics, and Para Olympics. Summer Olympics, General Olympics. Whatever regular games are there, those games are conducted. Snow-based games point of view, Winter Olympics were started. Physically challenged people point of view, Para Olympics were started. Winter Olympics were started in 1924. Para Olympics were started only in 1960. Paralympics were started in 1960. All these games, summer, winter, Paralympics, are conducted by IOC, International Olympic Committee. It is located Lausanne, Switzerland. IOC headquarters located in Lausanne, Switzerland. IOC present president is Thomas Bach from Germany. This person term will be completed September 2021. He was elected in September 2013. The person is Thomas Bach, Germany. First only 13 countries were participated in this modern Olympics, but latest Olympics were conducted in 2016 Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. 206 countries were participated, 10,500 players were participated, 28 events were conducted. 28 events were conducted. That's why these games are biggest games in the world. That's why you remember modern Olympics founder is Pierre Baron de Coubertin. This person belongs to France. He designed Olympic flag also. This Pierre Baron de Coubertin designed Olympic flag in 1913 on white color cloth. 5 rings are there. These 5 rings indicate 5 continents. Blue indicates Europe, black indicates Africa, red indicates America. It means American continent. Yellow indicates Asia, our continent. Green indicates Australia. This flag was made in 1913, but it was first hosted in 1920 Antwerp, Belgium Olympics. 1920 Olympics were conducted Antwerp, Belgium. In that place, this flag was first time hosted. Olympic torch was first implemented in 1928. Amsterdam Olympics 1928 implemented, but 1936 onwards, this modern torch has been lighting. Next will be conducted where? Actually, the schedule was 2020, Tokyo, Japan. Due to COVID, these games were postponed. Now schedule is from July 23rd to August 8th, 2021. 32nd Summer Olympics will be held in Tokyo, Japan. This city is giving hosting second time. Already it has given in 1964. First Asian city hosted Olympics is Tokyo, Japan, 1964. Again, this Tokyo city is giving hosting in 2021. Only three Asian cities hosted Olympic Games. One is Tokyo, Japan. Second one is Seoul, South Korea, 1988. And third one is Beijing, China in 2008. Only three Asian cities hosted, total 3 times conducted in our continent. Whenever it will be conducted, then 4 times will be conducted. Up to till date, only 3 times we conducted in our continent. Next, 2024 will be conducted in Paris, France. 2028, 34th Summer Olympics will be conducted in Los Angeles, USA. Which city had given maximum number of times hosting of these Olympics? That is London. London had given total 3 times, 1908, 1948 and 2012. Totally 3 times conducted London city. But which country had given maximum number of times hosting of these Olympics? That is answer, you remember, USA. Because London city conducted 3 times, but USA, different cities in USA conducted more times. That's why country point of view, you remember, that is USA. City point of view, remember London. London is also called sports capital of the world. Indian sports capital is Delhi because maximum stadiums are available in London. This city conducted 3 times Olympics. Some other Commonwealth events were also conducted. That's why maximum infrastructure facilities, sports infrastructure facilities are available in London. In our country point of view, we conducted Commonwealth Games in 2010. That's why Delhi has maximum infrastructure facilities. That's why Indian sports capital is Delhi. World sports capital is London. That point also remember. Next, another thing what we have to concentrate, our point of view, how many Indians got Olympic medals? Our Indians point of view, we must concentrate. Indian hockey team won 8 gold medals, 1 silver medal, 2 bronze medals. It is not individual, team point of view. Which country won maximum number of times gold medals in hockey? Indian hockey team won 8 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze medals. Entire Olympics, our hockey team won maximum gold medals, total 8 times. First gold medal in 1928 in hockey. Latest or last gold medal in 1980 Moscow. But individuals, to take individuals, only 15 individuals got Olympic medals so far. 10 male and 5 female persons got individual medals so far. First Indian got Norman Pichard. In 1900 Paris Olympics, he got silver medal. He is British origin person. That person participated from India. That's why we counted as Indian. That's why first person from India got medal is Norman Pichard. After independence, K.S. Jadhav, Kashaba Jadhav got in 1952 Helsinki Olympics. But records, remember, who is the first Indian woman won Olympic medal? That person is Karnam Malleshwari. In 2000 Sydney Olympics, she got medal in weightlifting. Who is the only one individual got gold medal? That person is Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra is the only Indian individual got gold medal in shooting in 2008 Beijing. Okay, after independence, how many Indians got more than one medal? That is only one person. That person is Sushil Kumar. He got 2 medals after independence. Before independence, one person Norman Pichard, but after independence, only one individual got 2 medals. That person is Sushil Kumar, a wrestler. He got bronze medal in 2008 Beijing Olympics and he got silver medal 2012 London Olympics. Next thing, what you remember, how many women got? Total 5 women got. They are Karnam Malleshwari, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Mary Kom, famous women boxer Mary Kom and Sakshi Malik. Latest Olympics 2016 Rio Olympics, 2 women got. One PV Sindhu in badminton, silver medal, and Sakshi Malik in wrestling, bronze medal. India point of view, these things we concentrate. Next, Winter Olympics, snow-based game. These games were started in 1924, Chamonix, France. Total 23 times were conducted. These games, 2018 latest, these were conducted in Pyeongchang, South Korea. One snow city, Pyeongchang, South Korea. Next will be conducted Beijing, China in 2022. 25th in 2026 will be conducted Milan, Italy. Another thing you remember, wherever Summer Olympics are conducted, same place Para Olympics are also conducted to encourage physically challenged people, mentally, physically, all these point of view, development point of view. These Paralympics were started in 1960, Rome, Italy. Suppose, for example, 2016 Paralympics were conducted where Summer Olympics were conducted in Rio de Janeiro. That's why these games were also conducted in Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. Next will be conducted Paralympics, Tokyo, Japan. After 1 month of Summer Olympics, then Winter Olympics are conducted in this world. Next, 2024 Paralympics will be conducted in Paris. Finally, what we have to remember here, maximum medals won in the world in Olympic Games, that person is Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps, famous swimmer from USA. This person 28 medals, single person 28 medals got. He also won maximum medals in World Swimming Championship. 33 medals he won World Swimming Championship, 28 medals won Olympics. Out of these 28, 23 medals are gold medals. Remaining 3 silver and 2 bronze medals he got. That person is Michael Phelps, golden fish of America. This person won maximum medals in Olympics. Our country point of view, 2 medals, 1 person is only 1 person after independence. That person is Sushil Kumar. Okay, Leander Paes maximum number of times participated from India. He participated 7 times in Olympics. Which Indian participated maximum number of times? You remember answer is Leander Paes, famous tennis player. He participated behalf of our country in Olympics 7 times. Who is the first Indian woman won Olympic medal? That person Karnam Malleshwari, bronze medal. How many Indian women won gold medals? Any Indian woman could not win gold medal in Olympics so far. Only one Indian woman got silver medal in Olympics. That person is PV Sindhu in 2016 Rio Olympics. These are main points we concentrate. Thank you.